What's going on, traders? It's Dada FX, aka Aaron Jordan FX. I'm going to be briefly reviewing Euro USD. We definitely spoke about this last week. If you haven't checked that out already, definitely check out that analysis on my reasons why I expected price to be, making this move to the upside. Now, right now, we're finding a strong area of structure where price is finding resistance, right? From a fundamental standpoint, we do have some key information here. We know that, right now, the near-term outlook of the European economy is looking weak. Even a European central bank policymaker, uh, one of those guys acknowledged that the overall global economic outlook was deteriorating. So that was some bad news in regards to the euro. Um, Even the growth forecast recently was revised down to a 3.8% from that 4.2 in a previous report. The overall near term outlook is very weak. The pandemic is definitely taking a toll on the euro. But in regards to the U.S., like I had mentioned in my previous analysis with GU, those bond yields, it didn't do too much. It definitely gave the U.S. dollar index a little push, but those job claims definitely beat down our safe haven currency, right? So there's a lot of mixed information in regards to Euro USD because they're kind of both all over the place, right? Now, from a COT point of view, which is the commitments of traders, and this is the Euro COT, all these pairs are traded against the United States dollar, just so you know. But this previous week, which was about 9 days ago, there was a massive amount of shorts added, and there was a massive amount of longs closed. Right, these are closed longs, and the amount of shorts were added was a massive amount compared to the previous weeks. So that definitely explains why we had that move to the downside from right here, and yeah, that was like a big move right here, right? So in regards to right now, what can we see? Like, what's up with this pair, right? So we know on the monthly, as I did previously, we seen that price ended up testing that area that we were looking for, right? This area right here. It was a 50% retracement that we had took, and price shot back up to the upside, right? That's why I see this strong pin bar right now, because price rejected and went right up at the zone that we found. And I even thought that there was some short-term buying that I had made on this way down. But overall, this level that we had pointed out was that key level that we were looking for, right? So on a weekly, just obviously on a monthly, we're bullish, right? Because we've seen that it hit our 50% retracement, rejected it strongly, and it's making a move to the upside. It's making a move to the upside. Now, any previous resistance, as we know, can be turned support. We've seen that right here. And on the weekly, we're seeing that push to the upside. So we see this W formation, the strong push to the upside, then the rejection or the retracement. Now, even from right here, what I'm expecting is for price to make a move to the upside because once again, it's made a strong rejection into this area that is on a weekly time frame, the 71% retracement level, Fibonacci retracement level. So going down to a daily, same thing, right? Um, we see price over our EMAs, and we know it's approaching this very strong level of resistance, which was turned support. You can see in this area right here, It found support, it broke through it, made it resistance, came down. Now it's approaching this level again. We also see that, from, I know it's very subjective, we see that this trend line has broken. And if you want to draw it from right here, it's still broken if you want to do it that way. But that's still not enough for me. This previous overall high wasn't broken. So in order for me to have all my time frames lined up, my weekly, my monthly, and my daily now to be in a bullish environment, I want to see price break through and retest to be looking for a long on smaller time frames, obviously, right? So that's why I'm not doing nothing with this pair right now, because price could very well, reject and make a move to the downside. But I don't plan on taking any shorts because it doesn't line up with my monthly and weekly time frame bias, right? So right now, I'm kind of holding off on Euro USD, and especially waiting for the new report. It's only right to assume that there's been a massive amount of longs opened with this. We don't know yet, but we will find out soon. And what I'm going to be looking for, like I said, is a break through the structure and then a retracement. And once I see a retracement, obviously I'm going to be taking, say it breaks out and it comes here and it starts zigzagging or doing something like that on a smaller time frame. I'm going to be taking my Fibonacci from my swing low to the swing high and seeing where it lines up, right? Seeing if, I find some kind of shift in environments. I see a shift from that bullish environment, from that bearish environment to a bullish environment, for instance, on a 4 hour or a 1 hour, to kind of pinpoint my entry to go long, because I am overall long with this pair. So with that being said, just before I let you guys go, we're going to take a look at the 4 hour and see, wow, like right here, we see that clearly there's a strong structure right here where price is having trouble breaking through, but you can see that is making higher highs, right? And higher lows. It's a higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. So I'm definitely expecting price to make a move to the upside, but I'm not jumping in or jumping the gun with this. We're going to wait. And, that's a big thing with these markets. You want to wait and be patient. You want to trade what you see, not what you think. You want to be reactive, not predictive. Patience is key. These are all things you definitely want to keep in mind for your trading psychology, to not just jump in or feel like you're missing out on something. Because price could very well just reject and make a move to the downside. But it doesn't align with at least my trading rules. So that's what my viewpoint is with this pair. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about Euro USD. At the end of the day, this is all free education and thoughts. We could be learning from each other, putting each other on to different information that we might not know. So feel free to leave your opinion or what you think in regards to this pair as well. All right, I'll be talking to you guys soon.